Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain further differentiation topic. In that I'm going to explain stationary point. Actually, what is meant by stationary point? It's also called as like turning point. See, when you see observe the diagram, like see the curve is like this and like this it is there. So this point, turning point, these are the turning point. These points are called as stationary point, means where the tangent touches the curve at one point. That is a turning point. At the turning point, the dy by dx will be 0. Okay, at this point, dy by dx is 0. If you observe this diagram, the red and blue, red one is decreasing and blue one is increasing. If it is decreasing means dy by dx is less than 0. At the turning point, dy by dx is 0. Increasing, dy by dx is greater than 0. It is turning point, dy by dx is 0. Again, decreasing. Again, this stationary point and this will be the increasing. So it will be. So depending on the interval, we can find whether it has maximum point or minimum point. We can check it out. That how will you check that whether it has maximum or minimum? Means if you see this diagram here, this is dy by dx is greater than 0. Here increasing means dy by dx is greater than 0. Here dy by dx is less than 0. Okay, means positive to negative. Positive to negative means it is a increase. It has maximum point. If it is negative, this is negative and this positive. Negative to positive. So it will be negative to positive. It has minimum point. Suppose positive 0 to again positive, negative to negative. Means there is no change in the sign. So positive to positive, negative to negative. That point is called point of inflection. Okay, so now see here, uh, this is the uh, first derivative test. First derivative test means you have to find out first how will you go for that first derivative test to find the minimum and maximum point. First derivative test. The first step is you need to find f dash of x. Second step is f dash of x is 0, means stationary points, means turning points, stationary points. Afterward, you will be getting some values x1, x2, let us assume. Okay, now, and you take neighborhoods of these two. Like if you are getting 3x, 3 and 4 you got. So neighborhoods means like 2.9 you take and something 3.1, which is near to that. So f dash 2.9 you substitute in the given function after finding the f dash of x. Suppose after substituting you got less than 0. If you are getting after substitution greater than 0. So negative to positive, what it is, for a min 1. So at x is equals to 3, what we can say that it has minimum point. That is how we have to simplify first derivative test means. If it is second derivative test, second derivative test means the curve is given that f of x. The first step is same, f dash of x you have to find. The second step is f dash of x is 0 for finding the stationary points. Till here, both the cases are same. Stationary points. Now here, second derivative means you should go for double dash, double differentiation. Okay, now after that, after finding here, you will be getting like two values, like two or three values, depending on that function. So if I'm substituting f double dash of that points, stationary points, f double dash of stationary points, if I'm getting here positive here, suppose for example, this example, if I'm getting here, if you're getting positive, means you will be getting the minimum point at x is equals to x1. If I'm getting negative means it is maximum at x is equals to x2, like that. So you have to check it out whether it is positive or negative. If you are getting positive means minimum value, minimum point. And if it is negative means maximum point. Okay, so this is a second derivative test. So whichever method is easy for you, go for that. Some of the times you need to go for second derivative test only. The what type of problems it will be, I will explain to you. Okay. Now see here. Let us see one of the question here. What is the question given over here? Find the coordinates of the stationary point on each of the following curves determined and the nature. Nature means it has maximum point or minimum point. First of all, you find out dy by dx. Dy by dx means x cube differentiation 3x square plus 48. This you write down x cube plus 48 into x to the power of minus 1. X I'm taking up plus 4. Here n into x to the power of n minus 1 constant is 0. So it means, what did you get over here? 3x square minus 48 x to the power of minus 2, I'm taking down 0. And so we got that f dash of x means dy by dx is equals to 0 for finding the stationary points. We have to go for stationary points. Stationary points. So 3x square minus 48 by x square is equals to 0. Okay, now what I am doing over here, 3 you take common x square, 3 times 1, 3, 3 6 18 x square. Okay, now here, if you take LCM x square, x power 4 minus 16 is 0. It means x power 4 minus 16 is 0. This is x square minus whole square. This split this like a x square whole square I am writing. This is 4 square I am writing. Okay. Now a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b, which is equals to 0. Means x square is equals to 4 one case, x square is equals to minus 4. Square of any number cannot be negative. So x is equals to plus or minus 2. We got the stationary points. What are the stationary points over here? Plus or minus 2. And we have to find the nature of the stationary point. Okay. Now, so what I am doing over here, so I am going for one problem, first derivative test. Next, I go for second derivative test. Okay. So first derivative test, I will do. First derivative test. So here x is equals to 2 and x is equals to minus 2. Okay. You take the neighborhoods of this. Okay. Now 2 below. So 1.9 you take. This is 2.1 you take here. Minus 2 below, minus 2.1 and it is minus 1.9. 2 above. Okay, now you substitute these values in f dash of x. F dash of x you substitute. What is f dash of x? 3x square. Okay, 3x square minus 48 by x square. Okay, now f dash of 1.9 I am substituting. Okay, 1.9 if I substitute over here, 3 into 1.9 whole square. Let me check in the calculator. 3 into 1.9 whole square minus 48 by minus 48 divided by 1.9 whole square. Okay, 1.9 whole square. How much? Minus 2.46. Means negative less than 0. Okay, just keep it like that. F dash of 2.1 you take. Instead of 1.9, I am taking 2.1. 2.1. Here also 2.1. So it will be 2.34. 2.34. Okay, now which is greater than 0. So negative to positive. Negative to positive. Negative to positive means what is that? What did I say to you here in the starting itself? A negative to positive means it will be minimum point. So at x is equals to 2, f of x has minimum. F of x has minimum when x is equals to 2, positive 2. Okay. Now, here also see here f dash of x is equals to 3x square and minus 48 by x square. Okay. Now, see here. Now, what I am doing over here. Here also if I substitute minus 2.1 whole square. Minus 2.1 whole square also positive only. So, f dash of minus 2.1 whole square. Same value will get 2.34 greater than 0. F dash of minus 1.9. Minus also whole square. Square is enough. Here also same expression you will be getting that minus 2.46 less than. Here positive to negative. Positive to negative means maximum. F of x has maximum. Okay, maximum when x is equals to, what is that? Minus 2. At x is equals to minimum point, at x equal to minus 2, maximum point. Okay, so we have to find the stationary points. So if x is equals to 2, Means y value what it is over here. Okay, we need to find the y. We have to find that what it is over here. He has asked to find the coordinates of the stationary points. Means x and y. So if x is equals to 2, what is the y value in this case? In this case, y is equals to substitute in this given expression. What is that expression over here? This one. If x is equals to 2, 2 cube, let me check in the calculator. Uh, 2 cube, 2 cube plus 48 by x. 48 divided by x is nothing but 2. 48 divided by 2, okay, plus 4. Plus 4. Okay, now means how it is over at 36. Y is equals to 36. The point will be, what is that? 2 comma 36. Okay. Now in the same way, minus 2 you write down here. Minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube also. What is that? Minus 2 whole cube. Uh, Let me solve again. Minus 2 whole cube. Whole cube. Plus 48 divided by minus 2. Okay. And what is that? Plus 4. Plus 4. It will be 42. So y is equals to 42. The another point will be what it is over here? Minus 2 comma 42. This is a minimum point. This is a maximum point. So this is how you have to simplify by using first derivative test. Okay. Now we'll go for second derivative test wherever it is applicable. Okay. Now see here. A curve has equation this one. Find the x coordinate of the two stationary points on the curve. Okay, that's fine. And hence find the values of two values of k for which the curve stationary point on x-axis. Okay. Now see here. First of all, you find out dy by dx. For finding the stationary point, dy by dx is 2 into 3x square minus 3 into x square differentiation is 2x, 36, x differentiation is 1, constant is 0. 6x square minus 6x, okay, minus 36. For stationary point, dy by dx is equals to 0 for finding the stationary points. Stationary points. Okay, so 6x square minus 6x minus 36 is 0. Okay, now 6 common, x square minus x minus 6. Here minus 6 is there. Product should be minus 6, sum should be minus 1. 3 minus 3 plus 2. So x minus 3 and x plus 2, which is equals to 0. Okay, now x is equals to 3 and x is equals to minus 2. So we got the stationary values. Okay, x coordinates, we got it over. Hence, find the value of k, which the curve has stationary point on x-axis. Okay, now this stationary point on x-axis they said already. Means the curve will be like, say here on x-axis somewhere it will go like this. Somewhere here on x-axis means this point is P, you have to assume for what values of k. We have to find this stationary point. Okay, now how will you find this one? Say here. See here, suppose if this x is equals 3, suppose if x value is 3, actually if the point is lie on the x-axis, y coordinate will be 0. Okay, means suppose if it 3 comma 0, assume, let us assume that. So if x equals 3 means y is equals to 0 and we'll find a k value. Okay, means substitute in this, what it is, or 0 is equals to 2 into 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square plus 36 into 3, 36 into 3 plus k is equals to 0. This. So 3 cube is 27, 27 to 54, 54, 9 3 is a 27, 33 6 18, 3 3 is a 9, 10 108 plus k. So 54, simplify this. What is that over here? 54 minus 27 minus 27 minus 108. It is minus 81. So k minus 81 is 0 means k is equals to 81. Okay. Now see here, if x is equals to minus 2, for example, suppose at the point if x is equals to minus 2. Okay, then that time also y is 0. Okay. 0 is equals to 2 into minus 2 whole cube is minus 8. 3 into minus 2 whole square is 4. Minus 36 into minus 2 plus k. Now see here, simplify this. 0 is equals to minus 16 minus 12 plus what is that? 72 plus k. Now simplify this. 16 minus 16 plus 12 minus 72 if I do 44. K plus 44 is equals to 0. So k will be minus 44. So there are two possibilities over here. This is one, k is equals to 81 and k is equals to 44. Okay. Now see here. Now next question. So this is see this question. The curve y is equals to ax plus b by x square stationary point 2 comma 12. Okay now. And find the value of a and b. Okay. Determine the nature of stationary point 2 comma 12. 2 comma 12. Find the range of the values for where this function is increasing. Okay, that's fine. See here, since this point, since a part, since 2 comma 12 lies on the curve. Stationary point means obviously that point should be lie on the curve itself. Okay, on the curve. Okay, now substitute this is x, this is y. Now what it is over here? 12 is equals to 2 into a plus b by 2 square is 4. Take LCM. 4 LCM 48 is equals to 4 times 2 8a plus b. Let us assume this will be one equation. And it has stationary point at this point. Not? So at that point dy by dx. Okay. You have to equal to 0. First find the dy by dx. Dy by dx means a into x differentiation is 1 plus b into this one you write down y is equals to ax plus b into x to the power of minus 2. Okay. N into x to the power of n minus 1. So it will be a minus 2b by x cube. Now it has stationary point at 2 comma 12. So at x is equals to 2, dy by dx is 0. Okay. Now simplify that. So 0 is equals to a minus 2b by 2 cube is 8. Okay. Now see a is equals to 2b by 8. 2 ones 2 times 4. So that implies b is equals to 4a. Okay. Now this b value you substitute in this equation 1. So 8a plus b is equals to what is that? 48. Now, A is equals to 8A as it is written, B is equals to 4A. Okay. Now, which is equals to 48. So, 12A is equals to 48. A will be 4. If A is 4 means B value will be 4 times 4. It will be 16. B is 4A only. Okay. Now, what they're asking A and B, we found it. And now determine the nature of the nature of the 2 comma 12. Okay, 2 comma 12 they said. Now first you substitute this point over here. Now first second derivative test I will do. Nature of the rows they said. Now so dy by dx, what did you get over here? A is equals to what did I get over here? 4 minus b is equals to what is that? 16. 16 times to 32 by x cube. Okay, now you do d square y by dx square. Second derivative test I am doing. Till now I have done first derivative test. Now I am doing second derivative test. Constant is 0, 32. This will be just write down like this 42, 32 x to the power of minus 3. N into x to the power of n minus 1. So it will be 32 times 3, 3 to the 6, 3, 3, 9. Okay. X to the power of minus 4. So 96 by x power 4. Now at x is equals to 2, nature of the root they said. Now, at this point, we have to go for nature of the root. So the point is what it is for 2 comma 12. At x is 2. Then d square y by dx square. Substitute over here in place of x 2, 2 to the power of 4. 96 by 2 power 4 is how much? 16. Okay, na 16 times 1, 16, 7, 6. So 6. This is positive. If it is greater than 0 means this minimum point. This has minimum point at x is equals to 2. Okay. Now we got the nature of the root, the point. Find the range of the values where increasing function. Okay. Increasing function they said over here. This is B. C will be, this function is increasing, they said over here. C part is, what is y is equals to, actually what is the formula over here? Ax plus b by x square. Ax plus b by x square, na? Okay. What is a value? 4, I got it. A is 4 only, na? Okay. 4, b is 16. Okay. Now dy by dx, what did I get over here? Dy by dx is equals to, what did I get over here? 4 minus 32 by x cube. 4 minus 32 by x cube. This is 4 only 4x. 4 minus 32 by x cube. Okay, that is dy by dx. Just we have done that. So is given that f dash f of x is, it has increasing function. Okay, na? Given that this is increasing function. Okay, na? So since the function is increasing, then dy by dx should be greater than 0. So 4 minus 32 by x cube should be greater than 0. Okay, now see here. Now 4 greater than 32 by x cube. 4 times 1, 4 times 8. So x cube greater than 8, x cube greater than x cube minus 8 greater than 0. Okay, now simplify this one. A cube minus b cube concept. A cube minus b cube. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, now, however, this is positive. No need to worry about that. Okay, why? Because all are having plus symbols. Okay, and this is x minus 2 should be greater than 0. And moreover, you can say that this discriminant also you can say that. Okay, now. But discriminant means b square minus 4s. Based on that also you can conclude that that is a positive only. So x greater than 2. So the values of x will be at x greater than 2. Then f of x will be, the given function will be increasing function. I hope you have understood my explanation clearly. Thank you.